Welcome to our channel. Today we how to connect with SpanishPod 101 detailed guide step by step clearly. To connect with SpanishPod 101, begin by visiting their official website. Open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type in SpanishPod101.com and hit enter. Once the website loads, familiarize yourself with the layout. Look for the Sign Up button prominently displayed on the homepage. Click on the Sign Up button to create your account. You will be prompted to enter your email address and choose a password. Fill in the required fields accurately. Review the terms of service and privacy policy. Once you have read them, check the box to agree. Then, click on the Start Learning button to proceed. After signing up, check your email for a confirmation message. Open the email from SpanishPod 101 and click the confirmation link. This action will activate your account. Return to the SpanishPod 101 website and log in using your credentials. Once logged in, explore the dashboard. Locate the Courses section to find available language courses. Select a course that fits your proficiency level. You may choose from beginner, intermediate, or advanced options. Click on your chosen course to access lessons and materials. Take note of the different types of resources available. Audio lessons, video lessons, and quizzes are common offerings. Engage with the materials at your own pace. To further enhance your experience, consider joining the community forums. In the forums, you can connect with other learners, exchange tips, practice conversations, and seek advice. Additionally, explore the premium subscription options for advanced features. Consider trying out a free trial to gauge the premium experience. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.